Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. And today's victim is a unit that I repaired back in 2014, March of 2014. It is now January 3rd, 2019, and this unit was returned for a bad motor. Now, a new motor is not included on a Delco job. Mainly because their failure rates have not gotten high enough to make them a compulsory part of the restoration. And as a testament to my knowledge and awareness of this original motor did last 5 years after I did the initial repair. So that's not bad. So we're just giving this unit a quick test to make sure that my new motor is working properly. So let's go ahead and pop in some tape that I haven't used yet, some old Temptations tape. Oh, wait a minute. No, that one may have... No, let's try this. Okay, I got to keep the songs pretty short so they don't nail me for copyright. So we're going to switch tracks a bunch of times. Not a whole lot of active music on this tape, is there? Okay, so we'll try another tape. Let's try some Anne Murray that we're more familiar with and be able to make sure the speed's correct. Take this and a quick speaker check. Make sure both channels are operating. As you can see, they are. Rotate our balance control left, right. Okay, get rid of that. Okay. Maybe it's right. That's what it takes. I'm writing you these words. Okay, so not much to test. It's just a quick test, just to make sure the motor's working and all those amplifiers are working and all that cool stuff. So I'm out of here. Sorry for the video being so short. There just wasn't that much to test on this one. So needless to say, if you need your 8-track repaired, I'm your guy. You can reach me at 928-533-9666. I also do FM conversions on classic car AM radios. I can add Bluetooth, USB reader, digital capability now, and who knows what else by the time you get ready to send in your radio. So my website's in the description below. Thanks so much for watching and listening. We'll see you next time. Oh, this is from Mike out of a 68 Malibu. Thanks again, folks.